Vietnam's ascent as an industrial titan is no accident. Its strategic location in Asia, a crossroads of major sea routes, makes it a trade nexus for China, Southeast Asia and beyond. The winds of change began with the Doi Moi reforms in 1986, pivoting Vietnam towards a market-oriented economy. This shift, coupled with a welcoming stance on foreign direct investment, has fueled a manufacturing and export boom. Trade agreements like the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership and the European Union-Vietnam Free Trade Agreement have flung open the doors to key markets, further entrenching Vietnam's global industrial presence. A young, literate and skilled workforce is Vietnam's ace in the hole, complemented by robust infrastructure investments that streamline industrial operations. Government incentives and a focus on education underscore this growth. As companies diversify supply chains amidst global shifts, Vietnam's embrace of technology and a burgeoning domestic market signal a bright industrial future, marking a remarkable evolution from agrarian roots to a significant industrial contender.